Hey y'all, so today's video I'll be showing you how to make some stacked jeans. So let's get into the video. So these are the jeans that I will be using, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bottom of the jeans off. That way I can stretch the jeans up higher like how I want them to, and then after that I'm just going to go ahead and turn them inside out. So here is the extra fabric that I'm going to be using, and this is from an old pair of jeans that I had. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew that part onto the bottom of the jeans. So I did this part completely wrong, but basically since the pair of jeans is inside out, the extra pair of fabric is actually supposed to be the right side. So that way when I sew it on and I pull it downward, it'll be inside out and it'll match the pair of pants. But I did it backwards, so the outside part of the fabric was on the part of the jeans where it was inside out. So now that I've got the pants together like I want them to, I'm going to go ahead and get my sewing machine and we're going to start sewing. So I finished one pant leg, and that's what it looks like when I take it back out. And now I'm going to proceed to the other side. And if you do make these and you use a sewing machine, please make sure that you be careful not to sew the pant legs together. Then you won't have a hole anymore to put your legs through. So both pant legs are finished, and now I'm going to try them on so you guys can see what they look like. So this is what stacked jeans basically look like, but I'm not done with them. I'm actually going to try to do a ruche effect on the sides so they can come up a little bit further. Now this is what the ruche effect looks like. I did this part off camera because I wanted to practice and make sure it'll look right. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to scrunch up the part on the side of the pants, and you're going to hold it like that until the needle goes over it. That way it stays bunched up, and that creates the ruche effect. So now I'm going to do the other side. Okay y'all, so I am done with the jeans and this is the final result. If you like this tutorial, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, a like, and share the video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye! And I think these turned out really, really cute.